Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Pink color, black color, violet color, red color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color, dark blue color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, purple color. Today we'll learn some alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Light green color, A. A for aeroplane. Orange color, B. B for broccoli. Violet color, C. C for candy. Yellow color, D. D for dragon. Dark green color, E. E for egg. Pink color, F. F for flowers. Red color, G. G for grapes. Black color, H. H for hen. Dark blue color, I. I for iron. Sky blue color, J. J for juice. Purple color, K. K for king. Light green color, L. L for lemon. Orange color, M. M for mango. Violet color, N. N for nurse. Pink color, O. O for orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, black color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, violet color, red color. Let's try to learn some numbers. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 8. Number 8. Number 9. Number 9. Number 10. Number 10. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.